Calculating vertices, edges and faces. So we're going to work out the number of vertices, the points of these shapes, edges, the sides, and F, the faces. Okay, so for a cuboid, let's count the vertices. We've got, let's change that colour. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. So that's 8. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides around the outside, the bottom 5, and the top 6. Okay, let's do the same for the cylinder. The number of the vertices, well, it doesn't have any points on there. There are no vertices for that one, so that's 0. Edges, it has 1 for the circle here, and 1 for the circle here, so it has 2. The number of faces, well, it has the face at the front, face at the back, and the long circular face, so that is 3. Okay, let's do the last one, square base pyramid. Vertices, well, it has 1 at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. Okay, so that's 5 vertices. Edges have 1, 2, 3, and there is another one at 4 at the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. And faces, I have the bottom, 1, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 for the triangle bits that go up to the top. So that is 5.